So you just want to keep the information you have there, no changes, just leave it at this, and then let's move on. And then it's asking me to select, but because I'm in London, it's just telling me that yes, you're London. It's just finding because of the network. But yes, I just move on to the next processes. Now I need to give my computer a name. Don't forget the name of the computer is different from the virtual machine. The virtual machine here is just like saying this is HP. This is technically what this means. But here, this is when you buy your HP computer, you need to give it a name. So I will just stick to, let's say, George B. And then it's asking me to set a password. I'm not good with passwords, so I'll just do this. Yes, and so it's up to you how you want to, what kind of information you want to give, but this is me. And the username is George B. This is something I have to always remember, that my username is George B. But normally, for the new versions of Ubuntu, it's easy. I think this is 2022, Ubuntu 22. We have 18. 18 is more like the one people normally use, but this is 22. So let's just move on. Give you a few minutes, it's going to install a few things. And then if you can see down there, you could see that certain things are happening. It's just the operating system trying to install itself and trying to install the drivers as well.